Hello. I've got 4 easy techniques to define your curls. Stick with me and you'll never go frizzy again. If you're new, hello. If you're one of my loyal ones and you've been here for a while, welcome back to Coils by Sharlene. And the first technique is styling with a brush. Now you can do this with any brush. Any brush will give you different ringlets. Now the brush I'm using is the tangle teezer, and make sure you've detangled your hair and added the products. You need to position the brush under your hair like I've done, apply some tension and brush it out. It's that simple. This is a great technique for all hair types, but especially good for curlier hair. This is the fastest technique which shows a more natural look. The next technique is called brush coiling. Obviously, detangle, apply product, and then brush your hair all the way down to the bottom. You want to have very little hair still attached to the bristles, and roll your hair around the handle of the brush. Once it's all rolled around the handle of the brush, you want to apply tension and slightly pull it down, like you do with rollers. Then once you get to the root of your hair, you hold it tight. You then loosen your hair the opposite way. This technique is good for low definitions, like low density hair, so 2A to 3C hair really. This makes loop type curls, and once it's dry, you can split them to gain more volume. You know I love my volume. Technique number 3 is finger rolling technique. All you need are your 2 index fingers and start at the very bottom of your hair. All you have to do is do a twisting motion upwards, get to the top, and then release it downwards. Exactly what I've done. They're very easy. This technique is ideal for all hair types, but more specifically wavier and looser curls that want to get the most definition without any frizz. For me, this one doesn't work very well. I just find it very fiddly, and the shrinkage is too much for me. However, look how defined that curl is. It's very defined. Technique number 4 is finger coiling. This is probably one of the favorites. But for me, I prefer the brush because it's quick and easy. Let me explain how you do the finger coiling technique. Always start on detangled hair. You're going to start at the root of your hair this time and just twist your hair clockwise, and you're twisting literally from the top all the way down to the bottom with a little bit of tension. You can also see that I held my hair at the root as I twisted downwards because the root tends to loosen. So as you're going down the curl, move your hand, which is above the one that isn't twisting. So if you're twisting with your right hand, move your left hand down as you're twisting the hair downwards, just to apply some tension so the curl stays intact. And this is ideal for all hair types, from wavy to the most coily curls. Anyone is good. This is the best for length retention as well, and not much frizz. I mean, you can see the results say it all. But the curl is different, it's not a loop type curl, it's more of a elongated curl. And now you can style your hair like a pro. Anyone can do this. Once you've done it 2 or 3 times, your hand remembers it. Honestly, your brain and your hands, your fingers, they work together so well. Once you get the hang of it, it's easy. Here you go. I'm brushing it out. See, it's all the same length, but the difference, shrinkage is massive, but definition makes all the difference, doesn't it? What do you think of all the different techniques? Which is your favorite? I've got to say, finger coiling, length, look at the difference. This is ridiculous, right? The ones with a brush, you get more of your natural curl, and the curls sort of do their own thing. I'd say all the others are more uniform curls and you can manipulate them a bit easier, but they take a long time. They take me longer, so I usually just brush out my curls. I use the brush styling technique because I don't always have time. Which is your favorite? Let me know. Put it in the comments. I have a little secret. I love definition. So even though my hair shrinks like crazy, it doesn't bother me. As long as there's not much frizz, there's a lot of volume and definition, I'm as happy as can be. Have a look at my other videos and you'll see what I can do. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.